I made these French curls braids at home and you too can make it too. Hi my dear rich tribe. Today's video I will show you how to make your French curls in the comfort of your home by yourself. First, you need to arrange the extensions for the French curls on the braiding rack before you start braiding. One thing you should know about the extension used in making French curls is that it tangles easily. So you should be very careful in handling it so that it doesn't tangle. I will share how I also prevent tangling in this video. This is a no gatekeeping zone, okay? Section the extension into two. One will be bigger than the other. If you notice, you see how I did it, so that you don't need to be collecting extension from the other one while braiding. See, like I said earlier, French curls extension is so fragile. So you need to section it in such a way that you just need to be braiding and no need to collect extension from the other extension to continue your braiding. If not, it is going to tangle on you. This is number one trick. So you should keep that in mind when making your own French curls. It will save you from a lot of stress. You don't need that at all. I will make this braiding part very slow so that you get to see it and digest it. Now, this French curls is not knotless, okay? But it's going to look like knotless because of how it was parted and because of the size of the extension I'm using for this French curls. Look at it very well and you will notice it. When parting your French curls, put it in a box. Like, make your hair to be in a box, not like the half moon. The box method brings out the beauty of the French curls because it has it lying on its own. Okay, if you want your French curls to come out beautifully, one, it has to be at least medium size. French curls in big size, I don't see it coming out that beautiful most times. The beauty of French curls is how small it is, okay? And when you part it in a box, it's going to come out looking beautiful. I've seen people that made their French curls like the big size. I did not like how it turned out, but each time I make my French curls in small size or medium size like this, it always eats. Because I'm making my French curls at home, and you guys know my rich tribe that I am a mom, so it took me like 3 days, okay? In between, I just took like 4 hours on each of these days to make my hair. I had other mom duties to carry out. So yes, so bear it in mind that if you want to do your French curls at home for a day, just give yourself at least 7 hours, okay? If you are very fast, you should finish it in like 6 hours. If not, you just spread it out 2 days and take breaks in between, because definitely your arms might be hurting depending on the size of French curls you want to go for. Okay, so just bear that in mind so that when you're making your French curls, you'll be truly prepared. You make your schedule to fit in so that your hair day will not be disturbed by anything. Hi there, if this is your first time of seeing me on your beautiful screen, hi. My name is Rachel and this is Richie Opera TV. On this channel, I do hair, I cook food, I do lifestyle vlogs, okay? Just like today, I'm making my French curl hairstyle on this channel, okay? So if you want to see more of me, more of hair content, more of lifestyle videos, more of cooking, things like this, just beautiful things of this life, do well to subscribe. One of the reasons you should subscribe is that you will always see my video and get notifications each time I post. That is if you turn on your notification bell. Oh. And if you're coming just for hair, how will you know when I post a new video if you did not subscribe and turn on your notification bell, so that when I post the hair video that you like, you will see it and you'll be the first to watch it. So if you don't want to miss on any of my uploads, subscribe and turn on your bell notification. And trust me, I'll be glad to welcome you to my rich tribe. Over here, we're a community and we interact mostly in the comment section. You will find me there, okay? Like I promised at the beginning of this video, I told you I will share one of the secrets of how I avoid the French curls extension from tangling. I use a leave-in conditioner to run it through it so that it reaches to the down, okay, to the curly part. It also helps the curls to pop while I want to braid, okay? So if you just use your leave-in conditioner, you run it down and through the curls with your fingers. That way you will prevent your French curls from tangling. So when you are putting it on the rack, please use your leave-in conditioner, run it through, then you place it on the rack. Like I told you guys, this French curls extension is very fragile. Any small thing, it has started tangling. So if you want to avoid that, use this method and thank me later. My rich tribe, you guys know how we do it over here, right? We rate every hairstyle over 10. But we must not go below 7. No, people will not break my heart. People know that my heart is fragile. So you watch till the end to see the result of this hair and you rate it over 10. Okay? I want to see how you rate this hairstyle over 10. And would you prefer this hair in black color or in another color? I've used the French curl extension in different colors, and trust me, all of these colors they all eat, clock it, they all eat, they all bang. So it depends on your style preference. One thing I will show you again in this video is how to knot the ends of your French curl extensions to avoid it from losing. So you have to watch closely and see how to knot the ends of your French curls. Okay, again, when you are braiding the French curls, don't make it too loose because it's very slippery. So you need to make the braid tight when you're going, okay? Don't make it too loose. If you make it loose, your French curls will become loose and you don't want it. The beauty of this French curls is in making tight braids. Like when you are going down, see how my hand is going, it should be tight. Now, this is how to knot your French curls. You have to go 2, 3 times, then you pass it through like so. I also have a short video on how to knot your French curls, but this one is very detailed, okay? Now we'll be going in with the mousse. This is the day 3. We are going to church, but I had to finish filming this video. I'm just being truthful to you people. People know that over here we are real. Like I said, this French curls hairstyle took me 3 days, okay? So you might see some of them being a little bit loose, but it stayed like that. So if you're doing it in more than one day, just tight it again and you are good to go. Run your hands through it when applying the mousse. That way it doesn't tangle. French curls and tangling 5 and 6, but it is one beautiful hairstyle that once you make it, you are not going back and it lasts. See, my hair is natural and I had this hairstyle for more than 4 weeks. So if you have a natural hair like my own, you can rock your French curls. See how this hairstyle is looking. It's giving body 10 over 10 minus nothing. Like, see how this hairstyle is looking. It's looking so beautiful. Please like this video. The target for this video is at least 50 likes. I want to see at least 50 likes. And don't forget to share this video with someone else. Trust me, somebody else might need to see it. If you're a man, share this video with your wife. She might like this hairstyle. And seeing how it looks on me, she might want to go for it. Don't worry, it's on a budget, okay? And if she can do it by herself, don't you see it's a plus when you share this video with her? She can see that she also can do it by herself. Yes, you can make your own French curls right in the comfort of your home. And trust me, it's going to look beautiful. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you, my rich tribe, in another video.